how much should you actually spend on windshield repair kits? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1: Rain-X Repair Kit. Let's kick things off with the Rain-X 600,001 Windshield Repair Kit. Priced at just $12.67, this kit caught my attention because of its high rating of 4 stars from nearly 48,000 reviews. If you want to minimize the appearance of chips and cracks and stop them from spreading, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Rain-X kit is designed to tackle chips and cracks up to 12 inches long. What really stood out to me is its durable resin formula, which makes windshields even stronger than they were before. It's super easy to use too. You just apply the resin, use the curing strips, and let the sunlight do the hard work. That's great because who wants to waste time fiddling with complicated tools? Now, some people complained about the need for perfect conditions for the best results. They mentioned that poor application can lead to air pockets. Here's the thing though, if you follow the instructions and take your time, you're likely to get a solid repair without issues. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and straightforward solution to minor windshield damage. Skip this one if you need to fix larger or more complex cracks, but for everyday chips, it's a steal. Product number 2: Permatex Repair Kit. Next up is the Permatex 9103 Automotive Windshield Repair Kit, costing $13.50. With a solid rating of 4 stars from over 12,900 reviews, this kit's reputation really caught my eye. If you want permanent, airtight repairs for bullseye damage, this one's worth checking out. What's cool about this kit is its spring-lock syringe, which controls the pressure for you. The resin penetrates deep into cracks, restoring clarity without those annoying cloudy results. You can even fix damage up to 1/4 inches, which is quite impressive for a DIY kit. However, I did notice some users mention that it can take a bit longer to cure compared to others. But I'll be real with you, if you can just park in the sun for 15 minutes and let nature help out, it's a small trade-off for a quality repair. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use kit for common windshield issues. Skip this if you're in a hurry and want something that cures immediately. Product number 3: Mala Fox Nano Repair Kit. Now let's talk about the Mala Fox Windshield Repair Kit, which is a bit pricier at $15.98, but has a higher rating of 4.3 stars from over 213 reviews. If you're after a professional-grade product that handles all types of cracks, this one might be for you. What intrigued me about this kit is its nano-level fillers that create a tight bond with the glass. This means cracks can virtually disappear and visibility is restored. Plus, it cures quickly under sunlight and is designed to withstand car washes and extreme temperatures, which is a huge plus for long-term durability. However, there were a few complaints regarding the instructions, with some users finding them unclear. But here's the thing, once you figure it out, the results are fantastic. It's worth giving it a shot if you want something that lasts. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one solution for various types of windshield damage. But if you're looking for something super simple with no learning curve, you might want to consider other options. Product number 4: JB Weld Repair Kit. Next, we have the JB Weld 2100 Windshield Saver Repair Kit, available for $13.74. With a rating of 3.8 stars from 1,400 reviews, it's a solid option for DIY enthusiasts. If you need a straightforward, no-fuss repair system, listen up. The vacuum syringe makes the application smooth and clean, which is perfect for those who are new to this kind of repair. Some users did mention that the resin can sometimes be tricky to apply evenly. But honestly, if you take your time and follow the instructions, you should be all right. It doesn't require any special skills, making it a great option for beginners. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use option for small chips. Skip this if your damages are larger or more complex, as this is really meant for minor issues. Product number 5: WOOKKIT Repair Kit. Lastly, we have the WOOKKIT Windshield Chip Repair Kit, priced at just $9.99 and boasting a perfect 5-star rating from 76 reviews. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that delivers quality, this one's impressive. The comprehensive kit includes everything you need and is designed to repair various crack types: bullseye, star-shaped, and linear cracks. The only downside I found was limited reviews, given that it's relatively new to the market. But the value for money is hard to beat, especially if you're looking to save on repair costs. This is perfect for you if you want an economical solution for minor windshield damage. Pass this one up if you need a more established product with a longer track record. So to wrap things up, we've looked at 5 different windshield repair kits. The Rain-X and Permatex are fantastic for easy, user-friendly repairs, while the Mala Fox offers professional-grade solutions. The JB Weld is ideal for beginners, and the WOOKKIT is the best budget option. It really comes down to your specific needs and how much you're willing to spend.